The common replacement when redoing your headliner in the interior is to also replace your sail panel boards. When that happens, we've got the perfect reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 72 GM A-body sail panel boards. These are sold in a pair to cover both sides of the vehicle. They fit between the headliner and package tray. Glue headliner material to this board to complement your headliner restoration. Our sail panel boards are premium die stamped from fiberboard and guaranteed to fit and function exactly like the factory originals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.